I think getting into the headshot business, consistency is the key, all right? If you can become consistent in your work, you can nail down the look of it and capture some interesting expressions. You got something there, you should be charging for it. You can make a little extra money on the side shooting some headshots. Number one would be, how about getting a little bit closer and taking some headshots of people? Right now, in this day and age, people really need them, and you could be the one to take them. Number two, put some money in your pocket. Headshots is a perfect one for you to make that jump into charging. In the long run, I've been shooting the same stuff, the same look since I started 18 years ago. It still works, it still puts money in my pocket, and it's awesome. And number three, you're gonna up your game with this class. You're gonna get a little tips that will get you better, and you'll be able to create consistency. So really, it's about stepping out there and getting people in front of your camera and not being afraid. That's the most important thing about this class. Hey guys, I'm Peter Hurley, and I want you to come check out my latest class at KelbyOne.com.